Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping the Azure Flames relic and confirming you have at least 60% energy. This ensures immediate casts. Once placed in slot 1, you open the combat map and lock onto an enemy cluster to maximize spread. Then, cue your primary fire and a quick dash. Do this because Azure Flames scales with hit count and repositioning increases chain damage. Make sure to verify cooldown timers and potion usage, so your first activation lands cleanly and begins the combo sequence. You now execute the core. Activate Azure Flames and immediately follow with 1 to 2 rapid basic attacks to seed flames. Once done, chain your movement skill to reposition so flames bounce off geometry and hit multiple foes. This multiplies stacks. Next, use a damage amp or temporary shield within 3 seconds to capitalize on built-up modifiers because the effect window is short. Continue rotating basic attacks and short skills to refresh flames. This sustained pattern keeps DPS high while maintaining control over bounce trajectories. You finish fights by popping your ultimate as Azure Flames reaches maximum stacks. Timing here converts stacks into burst damage. Once done, clean up with targeted shots and reposition for safety. If things go wrong, like visual bugs or no damage, retreat to a safe area, reset cooldowns, and re-engage to rebuild stacks. If the effect remains unreliable, relog or return to town to clear state, and then re-equip the relic. This often solves synchronization, glitches, and restores normal Azure Flames behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.